Hey, my name is Connor and welcome to Crypto Empire, where I show you how to dominate in the crypto markets. In today's video, we're going to be readdressing Zilliqa because a lot is happening right now and you need to know the latest news and the latest price action, exactly what is happening in the charts. So without further ado, let the gains be with you. And remember, the cryptocurrency industry moves extremely quick. So you need to stay up to date because if you are not paying attention, you will get left behind. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, but let the gains be with you. If you are new to Crypto Empire, awesome that you're here. Listen, we're getting very close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. This channel is literally 29 days old. We're not even 1 month old yet, and we're about to break through 1K subs. Do you know how grateful I am for all of you right now who support me, who watch this channel, who hit the like button, who comment? I seriously am very, very grateful for you guys. I do this for you. I always put my audience first. I'm a community kind of guy, all right? So I want to let you know that I'm going to be doing a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. But in order to enter into this giveaway, you need to join the free Telegram group. Link is down in the description below. Okay, let's talk about Zilliqa. So there's a lot happening with Zilliqa. The Ethereum Bridge is the most recent news. So let's jump into the computer right now so I can go over it in further detail with you so you can really comprehend it to make those informed decisions in the markets. Let's go. All right, so taking a look at the market cap, we have Bitcoin at 56.3K. Current total market cap is $1.9 trillion with a 54.1% Bitcoin dominance, ETH at 11.8 dominance, all right? So ETH 19, pretty much 2K. But let's scroll down a little bit to ETH's competitor, yes, competitor, direct competitor, Zilliqa, number 53 in market cap, all right? Zilliqa currently trading at 19.99969 cents and with a current market cap of $2.3 billion. So remember, Zilliqa only has a circulating supply right now of 11.9 billion tokens. It is a scarce asset. Not all of them are released yet. Obviously, they have a huge staking platform, lots of stakers. I just want to hop over to that right now and show you the staking statistics. So currently there is 4.692 billion Zilliqa tokens locked up. That is approximately pretty much 33% of all of the tokens in circulation. They are staked right now on the Zilliqa blockchain. So that's 33% of the circulating supply. That means only a smaller amount is available on exchanges, and there's a lot sitting in wallets of individual token holders as well. So things are getting interesting. We have some recent price action. We broke out of a trading range. We're going to get into the price charts in 1 minute. But first of all, let's talk about the Ethereum Zilliqa Bridge. So we have Jason Mercier. I'm not sure who this is actually, but he tweeted at Zilliqa, I have over 2 million old ERC20 ZIL tokens. I missed the swap last year. Please help me, please, please, please. So what he's saying is before Zilliqa moved to its own native blockchain, Zilliqa was an ERC20 token. So he never bridged them over to being on the Zilliqa blockchain. And Zilliqa replies, hey Jason, we're working on a bridge which will let you swap it. We'll be ready mid to end Q2. That's only a few short months away. So I briefly touched about the Ethereum Zilliqa Bridge in my first video, but I'll talk about it again. Essentially, what that's going to allow you to do is transfer any ERC20 native token to the Zilliqa blockchain, and you'll be able to send it without those pesky high Ethereum gas fees. Okay, a great resource I love to use is ethgasstation.info, and we can see right now that the ETH GUI, meaning the gas that you have to pay for the transaction, it's actually not that high right now. I've seen it much, much higher, but 116 is, I mean, it's still expensive, but it's not crazy. So Zilliqa is going to fix that issue. They will be having the ETH Zilliqa Bridge, which is going to allow you, like I mentioned in the last video, if you use the Binance exchange, it gives you options to withdraw your tokens on different blockchains if that blockchain supports it. What the Zilliqa ETH Bridge will be is they're going to be able to withdraw your tokens on the Zilliqa blockchain, any ERC20 token. It's going to open up a world of possibilities. Pretty much DeFi will now be on Zilliqa as well. They are developing obviously their own DeFi ecosystem, but the ETH ecosystem is now going to be integrated in it as well. What does this mean? It means people will be looking to purchase Zilliqa because you need Zilliqa to interact with, of course, the Zilliqa blockchain. So I do expect this asset to see a surge in price. So with that being said, let's hop over to the price chart and see what is going on. All right, so we did almost hit the all-time high. That is this green line here. I will mention that Zilliqa has an all-time high price of 23.0307 cents. That was almost 3 years ago. So listen, we are in a bull market, you know. As the old turkey said in Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, one of my favorite trading books, I highly recommend that you read Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. You will hear the story about Jesse Livermore, and you will learn a lot about how market psychology works. I absolutely love that book. I recommend it to everybody to read it. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. But for now, let's talk about the Zilliqa technical analysis. So I'm going to start out on the US dollar chart. So yes, we did almost test the all-time high, but we didn't quite make it there. Listen, I'm bullish. I assume that you're bullish. Let me know down in the comments below. I don't know, I'm just assuming, so I'd like your confirmation on that. But where is it going to go? So we want to look at buying dips, okay? So we did have a most recent dip into this level here. Got some cluster of candles. We just wicked into it. Now, this is all shakeouts, really. We have a bunch of people, really on all coins across the board, entering into long positions. And the market makers see that, so they put long wicks down. They shake you out so that you can't just ride the train up. There is always retracements. Okay, so we want to be buying the retracements. Now, a clear level, obviously, is the local low right now. This swing low down here at about the 15-cent level. I don't see this happening unless we have some kind of major event where Bitcoin pumps and a lot of the dominance gets sucked back into Bitcoin. That would give us a golden opportunity to enter in at this level. So if we take our Fibonacci tool and we take it from the swing high to the low that it came from, we can see that the 382 is generally a good level to enter on a continuation movement, but also the 61.8. So the 61.8 is also in a cluster of candles that this one tested. How I would play this if you haven't entered into Zilliqa yet and you're looking to scoop some up, I would start lining your orders up really from the bottom of this candle wick all the way down to the 78.6. All right, you don't want to be greedy and go for the home run, but you do want to scale in, dollar cost average into it. It's going to break the all-time high. I believe that with conviction. I assume you do as well. But let's talk about the Zilliqa Bitcoin chart. Okay, if you are bearish on Zilliqa, let me know. I would love to hear why in the comments down below. But I don't see Zilliqa not doing well this bull run, okay? It is a powerhouse blockchain. They've had sharding since the beginning, since it came out. Sharding is extremely powerful. It allows the network to scale at a much faster rate. So with that being said, Zilliqa is a powerhouse. I mean, even if we just look at the market cap, Zilliqa will be up here in this top 20 spot, all right? That is my call. A lot will be built on this blockchain, and it isn't even fully laid out yet. But looking at the Zilliqa Bitcoin chart on the daily, so we did just break this high over at the 370 Satoshi level. So I'm going to use that high to see where we'll go next before we talk about where to buy it on a pullback, okay? So immediately the 497 Satoshi range, 500 sats, that is a very strong mental level that a lot of people will probably be taking their profits at. 500 Satoshis. That will be an area of resistance that we'll need to burst through to continue the rally, but I do see that actually happening. So we have a bit of an accumulation zone down here for Zilliqa. You can call it a demand zone. I would be looking to buy a dip in here and then all the way to down here as well at this lower accumulation level. All right, so if you're looking to pick up Zilliqa with your Bitcoin to flip it and, of course, make more Bitcoin, it's an excellent altcoin strategy. You sell on the double and you keep on selling on the doubles on the way up. I'll be making a full video about that strategy shortly on the channel, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. But I would be looking to pick some up in these areas of former accumulation on the chart. This is my current outlook on Zilliqa. Okay, if we come over here to the Zilliqa block view block, this is essentially the open ledger. We can check out the analytics. I'm a big analytics guy here at Crypto Empire. Reason being, people lie, numbers don't. Take that one with you. It is an important life lesson. But let's talk about Zilliqa. Okay, let's stay on topic here. All right, so if we look at the staking history, everything is going up right now. Staking history is way up. As I said, 4.7 about billion Zilliqa are staked. Transactions are going up on a daily basis. Obviously, the day just started over here, but transactions are going up and up and up, all right? New addresses, again, making higher highs. So a lot is happening. People are onboarding onto Zilliqa. I am bullish on Zilliqa just like I was in my first video. That didn't change. My Zilliqa is staked. I'm earning that passive income. Passive income is how you build real wealth. Yes, we do trade, but the real money is made by sitting on your hands. If anybody tells you otherwise, I would not believe them, okay? Smart money makes their money by buying low and selling high. That is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we'll see you in the next one.